Imagine a jet so fast it could touch the edge of space, a machine built to chase hypersonic threats before they even reach the sky. That's the dream behind Russia's MiG-41, the mysterious next-generation stealth interceptor that might become the fastest and most advanced aircraft ever created. Built as the successor to the legendary MiG-31 Foxhound, the MiG-41 represents the future of air defense, a weapon designed for a world where speed and technology define survival. Asterisk. Developed by the McCoyan Design Bureau under the PAK DP program, the MiG-41 is expected to be unlike anything that has ever flown. Early reports suggest it will reach speeds up to Mach 4.3, that's more than 5,000 kilometers per hour, making it capable of outrunning almost every missile or jet on the planet. Its purpose is simple but extraordinary: to intercept high-speed targets like stealth bombers, hypersonic weapons, and even reorbit satellites long before they threaten Russian airspace. Asterisk, the MiG-41's design reflects pure futuristic ambition. Artists and defense analysts imagine a sleek, needle-shaped fuselage with sharp edges and dark plasma-absorbent coating, built to slice through the thin upper atmosphere. Engineers are said to be experimenting with plasma stealth technology, a system that ionizes the air around the aircraft to scatter radar waves, making it nearly invisible to detection. It's not just about hiding, it's about vanishing at Mach 4. Asterisk. What makes this aircraft even more fascinating is its combination of raw speed and artificial intelligence. The MiG-41 is rumored to include AI-assisted systems that can track, target, and engage threats automatically. With new quantum radar and infrared sensors, it could spot stealth aircraft that traditional radar can't even see. Pilots might rely on real-time data and autonomous flight modes, letting the jet react faster than any human could. In theory, the MiG-41 could defend an entire region with just a few aircraft on patrol, each acting as a high-speed guardian of the skies. Asterisk weapons are another area where the MiG-41 is expected to break boundaries. It will likely carry the R-37M long-range missile, already capable of hitting targets more than 300 kilometers away, and new hypersonic air-to-air weapons currently under development. Some reports even suggest it could launch anti-satellite missiles, giving Russia the ability to disable enemy satellites in orbit. That kind of power would change the balance of air and space warfare entirely. Asterisk, despite the secrecy, Russian officials have confirmed that the MiG-41 project is real and in advanced development. The aircraft is being designed to operate in the freezing conditions of the Arctic, one of Russia's most strategic defense zones. It's also intended to work alongside the Su-57 stealth fighter, with the Su-57 handling air-to-air and strike missions, while the MiG-41 takes the role of long-range interceptor and space defense platform. If these plans succeed, the MiG-41 won't just replace the MiG-31, it will redefine what an interceptor can do. Asterisk, technologically, the challenge is enormous. Flying at Mach 4 means dealing with extreme heat, air pressure, and structural stress. Engineers will need new composite materials, next-generation engines, and advanced cooling systems to keep the aircraft stable. Rumors suggest the use of ramjet or combine cycle engines, capable of switching modes as the jet climbs into near-space altitudes. Every detail from fuel type to cockpit shielding must be engineered for conditions few machines have ever faced. Asterisk, if it enters service by the 2030s, the MiG-41 could become the fastest operational aircraft in history. It would mark a new era of aerial dominance, giving Russia the ability to intercept any airborne threat anywhere in minutes. But beyond the numbers and the technology, the MiG-41 symbolizes something more, a race to the edge of human engineering, where science and speed collide in the pursuit of control over the skies. As the world watches and waits, one thing is certain: if the MiG-41 becomes real, it will not just be another fighter jet. It will be a statement, a message that the future of warfare is moving higher, faster, and further than ever before.